everybody, 650 Eve here, and welcome home to the channel. I'm back at one of the biggest, baddest motorcycle dealerships on the East Coast, our good friends at Motorcycle Mall, who are celebrating 50 years of being in business today at this massive event. They're giving away 5 motorcycles. I brought 5 of my own motorcycles to put on the dyno. We're gonna do Smackdowns. Absolutely. And there's gonna be some Smackdowns, but today it's gonna be on the dyno, as I'm gonna measure the horsepower of 5 of my epic machines.
Now therefore be it resolved that Mayor Michael Melham and the Municipal Council of the Township of Belleville do hereby recognize and proclaim Motorcycle Mall as the Belleville business of the century. We celebrate their incredible legacy, applaud their contributions to Belleville's economic and cultural vitality, and thank them for being a model of integrity, innovation, and hometown pride.
Hey, John!
Oh man, it's a tough one. I just didn't prepare this one, as I normally don't, but it's okay. I want to thank everybody who's here, starting with the town, my family, our staff, our team, what makes us here every day a success, every day. This wouldn't be possible without everybody here, the support of our town, our community, our police, our firemen, our EMT, everybody. We appreciate this more than it could even be imagined. And for the ability for us to hopefully pass this to our 4th generation and continue our family and our legacy that my father and my grandfather helped build, for us to continue to push forward and provide for everybody in our community. I couldn't thank you guys enough, and pushing us to always do everything we can for this town, whether it's this side of the street or the other. Thank you guys, appreciate it. And I just want my father, of course, who made sure that I got to work early, stayed late, and am instilling those same values in my kids to say a couple words. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate and love you guys. Thank you.
I thank you all. I thank the staff, as my son has done. It's been a long ride, but we're here 50 years later, 50 and a half years. And again, I thank you all.
Guys, they're pulling up in full force for today's 50th anniversary celebration here at Motorcycle Mall. No shortage of motorcycles are here on the scene. Good morning, man. Good morning. 50 years, 50 years. That is a major accomplishment for my, good morning, bro. 50 years, man, 50 years.
Right, 50 years.
That's awesome. And I know they'll keep rolling on, because these guys here at Motorcycle Mall know how to treat their customers, how to put on great events. They've got CF Moto doing demo rides all day today. We had to do that.
All right, what you about to do?
Oh, I gotta do it. They want it. They want it. You know, I couldn't do all this if I didn't have Pirelli Moto USA sponsoring me with those awesome, amazing Super Corsa tires. Shout out to Pirelli. Yeah, you know, but I need a sponsor to help clean the bike. You want to clean it, Moto Mac?
Sure, why not?
Oh, there we go. There we go. So now,
He cleans it, I'll race it.
there you go. My jockey, my cleaner, right there. This guy can race it too.
That's the jockey.
I got my keys, I'm ready to go.
That's the real jockey.
I know, 2-time Daytona 200 winner right here, guys. 2-time. He has 2 Rolex watches. He refuses to wear either of them. Yeah.
Beat the shit out of one of them, the other one's brand new.
Yeah. Woo! their showroom was fantastic, guys. So many bikes, so many different brands, so many units in here. They sell a lot of motorcycles, ATVs, watercraft units. Some of my favorite bikes, the Aprilia. There is a 2026 RSV4 Factory. You couldn't ask for better weather today, guys. It's in the mid 70s, not super hot. Of course, it's not cold. And everybody came out for this. Thanks for coming out, guys. You guys are awesome. There we go.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Thanks for coming, man.
Were you the one that burn out?
Yes. Yes.
Really nice.
Thank you, man. This is my YouTube. Scan the back of that. It'll take you to the best YouTube channel on YouTube.
Was that your bike?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
I was like, my man's got money.
I'm trying. What's up, guys? Thanks for coming, man.
Right.
Yeah, you guys are awesome. Good to see you again, man. Thanks for coming back. First up on the dyno is my beautiful 2025 Ducati Panigale V4 Tricolore Italia. One of 163, and we're going to see how much power it produces today. On the dyno, we have a 2025 Panigale V4, and we want to see if there's a horsepower difference between my special edition and this, let's just call it regular Panigale V4. This bike has the undertail exhaust, so if there's any difference, it's probably going to be made from the fact that mine has the wheelbarrow exhaust. But you can see it to the crap of it. I'm pretty excited to see what type of horsepower it makes. this lineup of amazing motorcycles, starting with one of my favorite bikes, the BMW M1000XR. Next to it, number 54 M1000RR, Panigale V4 SP2. Look at the gorgeous colorway on the Street Fighter V4S. We got another beautiful Ducati right there. KTM, you guys say you never see KTMs on my channel? Well, here it is. A gorgeous KTM machine. See ya. See you later. And they're the owners of these beautiful bikes right there. Looking good, looking amazing. They are awesome. Oh, look at this colorway. Totally gorgeous. Just an amazing lineup. A gorgeous Panigale V4R, the new V4.
What you like? Look at the blue. Look at the blue.
Oh yeah. Wow, nice. Look at this, we got another colorway edition. Just some gorgeous bikes here, guys. Okay, go ahead, give it a little rev. It won't let flames out, not on this one. Yeah. All right. All right, who's next? All right. Gorgeous? Go ahead. Go ahead. All right. Okay. Next. Oh gosh. Go ahead. All right, guys. Some beautiful bikes leaving this amazing event today here at Motorcycle Mall. They celebrated 50 years in business, which is absolutely amazing. They gave away 5 motorcycles. We put lots of bikes on the dyno. I hope you enjoyed the dyno shootout. I know I had a lot of fun here, and I don't know when they're going to have another event like here at Motorcycle Mall, but rest assured, I will be there, and I hope to see you here too. Thanks for viewing, guys. We'll catch you next time on the 650 EV YouTube channel.